Hello everyone, this is Dolly, your host, your friend, and welcome to Design and Creativity channel. And guys, without wasting a bit of your time, let's start the candle making process. So these are the things required to make this beautiful candle. Now in this tutorial, I'm using one of my old candle. If you want, you can use a new one also. So now the first step is you have to take a one size bigger candle making mold than what the size of your initial candle is, and then you have to fix this candle at the base by using a small amount of hot wax. Now after fixing, you have to pour the color wax, whatever color you want to choose you can, and this is how the candle will look like after 2 hours. And now we'll repeat the process again by using one size bigger candle making mold than what the size of the candle is. So here I am using green color, you can choose your own color. Okay, so this is what a candle look like again after 2 hours. So this is what the top of the candle is, and right now it is very uneven, and we cannot see the wick also, and this is the base. So first thing we have to do is to even out the base and the top. So to do this, you have to just heat a tray onto the stove and then rub the top and the bottom part of the candle onto the hot plate like this. So this is how the candle will look like after doing that process, and this is what the base of the candle is. If you want to take it as the top, you can, and this is what the top of the candle is looking like, and I'm pretty happy and I'm using it as the top now. Okay, so now it's time for the drilling. So guys, here what I have in my hand is bit number 25, which is a bigger one, and a bit number 18, which is a smaller one. So we are going to use these two sizes of the bit, and other than this I'm using a simple bit also. So now I'll show you how to drill your candle. So this is what the product which we have in our hand, and it is looking really beautiful. And now this is what I have in my hand is a drill machine, and by using the key of the drill machine, and now it's time to put the bit into the nose of the drill machine. So you have to do it like this, and before using it into the candle, let's check whether the bit is properly fixed or not. And now guys, start the process. Okay, so hold the candle tightly, remember, tightly, and then wherever you have to drill, just start drilling it like this, and keep your hand straight while drilling the candle, otherwise you will break your candle and you will drill into your hand rather than drilling into the candle. So now it's up to you, up to how much layer you have to go. Here I'm just drilling onto the first layer only, then I'll show you how you will go up to the second layer or the third layer of the candle. So this is how you have to do, and drill wherever you want to drill in whatever pattern you want to drill, but do not go more closer to the edges, otherwise the candle will get break. So keep doing it like this guys, and now I wanted to create some more pattern into the candle, and this time I'm drilling up to the second layer. As you can see, the white layer of the candle. So the bit size I'm using right now is bit number 25. We haven't used bit number 18. Now I'll show you how to use bit number 18. So basically it will create a step like texture, and now I have fixed the smaller one, and now as you can see I have drilled up to the third layer also. Guys, I'm really very sorry because I'm really having a very bad throat right now, but I cannot resist myself by showing you the tutorial of such a beautiful and innovative and designer candle. So please excuse me for my bad throat, but I just wanted to explain you the process, because until I'll say something about the process, it is quite difficult to understand for each and everyone. So now after completing the drill process, this is how our candle is looking like. And as you see, the texture which we have created into the candle, and when we'll finish it completely, it will look very beautiful. So you have to clean the candle by using this brush, and these are the 3 molds which we have used to create this very beautiful candle. And now it's time for the style number 2, which is inside out. For this, guys, I'm using this customized luminaire candle. Now for those viewers who haven't seen how to create this customized luminaire candle, I have given the link of this tutorial in the description box. And in this I'm using this simple bit and just showing you how you can create a big hole by using the simple bit like this. So in this you have to create just whatever you want to create, any pattern, but make sure again don't go much near to the edges. So the difference between this and the style number 1 is that we have created holes after making the complete candle, and in this we are creating hole before making the candle, so that when we'll pour the color inside the luminaire, the color will come out. That's why this candle is called as inside out candle. Again, I'm saying again and again, guys, do it very carefully. So now this is what the pattern will look like, and I have created a very simple pattern. So now what we have to do is we have to put this luminaire again into the mold in which we have created earlier. So like this, I have put it into the mold again, and then now I am filling hot wax. Not very hot, it should be cold, otherwise it will melt down the outer layer. And then this is what the final look of the candle is. So this is it, my dear friends, my dear viewers. I hope you like my tutorial, and I hope you will love to make this candle at home, which is very easy and yet very beautiful looking candle. We'll meet you in the next video with some more innovative and beautiful design. Bye bye. Take care.